I've never made pizza before.
And that's why you gotta follow instructions.
Welcome to Tayra's Pizzeria, where the vibes are homemade, the decor is DIY, and the pizzas, well, let's just say it didn't start off pretty. Today is the day before Labor Day. It's Labor Day weekend, and I have been promising my family that I'm going to be cooking more and doing more things around the house. So today I'm going to surprise them with a backyard pizzeria. So yeah, I'm going to be making pizza, and I'm going to build a backdrop to look like a pizzeria. I think it's going to be really cute, so I hope you like it. But before that, I had to head to the grocery store because I forgot some items that I was supposed to pick up yesterday. So yeah, come along with me. Pizza Fridays are kind of a tradition for a little family, and I thought, why not bring it up a notch and turn it into a full-on DIY experience? And you know what? Honestly, family moments and creating is the perfect combo and direction I want to take my channel this time around. More real life and more DIYs. There you go. More real life, more DIY. Love it. No, don't make me come back. Sorry about that. Yeah, we're one of the earlier counties too. I don't drink that much. I don't know. I don't know the rules. I guess I'll come back. I'll have my husband come back first. The onions I bought were smaller than expected, but that's how it is with everything you buy online. And then I got some sticky hooks and placed them on the backdrop, and it worked wonderfully. So you see it's hanging in there. Then I added some shelves to one of my panels so I can place things on there. And that's pretty much all that we did that was kind of hard. Everything else was pretty easy. We added some checkered tablecloth and checkered curtains and just made a small semi-luxe garland. It took me about, I don't know, like 30 minutes to blow and put together. Then I installed it in about 10 minutes. We styled our middle wall with baskets and greenery, and later on we added some wine bottles. At the table we had a centerpiece, head centerpiece, and we added some faux tomatoes. And as chargers I added some round cutting boards. It was pretty cute. Also some flags to make it a little more festive, and that was that. Oh no, wait, we also added a neon sign that was very cute, but we didn't use. It was literally delivered a few minutes ago. I don't know about you guys, but I hate reading directions to assemble anything or to cook anything. But today, today was the day that it caught on to me. Keep watching. Okay, perfect. All right, let's get started. So for the pizza, we bought Pillsbury pizza crust, and I didn't read any of the directions. I mean, I thought I have watched enough movies. I mean, how hard can it be? Just roll it, and you throw it up in the air, and then you put the sauce and the ingredients on it, and that's it. You put it in the oven, and you have pizza. No, that's not how it goes. This Pillsbury thing, you cannot cut it, you cannot make it round, you cannot do anything to it. You gotta just leave it flat, and then put the sauce on it and the ingredients on it, and that's it. Because if you try to like ball it up and then roll it, and we didn't even have a real rolling pin. We were rolling it with a cup, okay, a glass cup. I was not prepared at all to make pizza. It was a hot mess, guys, but you know what, I had good intentions, and that's all that matters, right?
Did you follow your instructions on how to?
How do you follow instructions?
You gotta roll the pizza, let the dough rise and set and cool, and then you gotta put powder on.
So it turns out that I was supposed to add lots of flour to the dough before making the pizza. So now it keeps sticking to the pan. So my pizza is going to be basically a calzone now. Yeah, I get it. I get that part. Listen, it's the thought that counts, okay? No, I want a tasty pizza. Where are you going? Hot mess. Okay, pizza number 1. It looks like a science project. And yeah, I totally messed up. And we redeemed ourselves with pizza number 2. All right.
It's cooking, it's good. Have something here.
Yay! The pizza is finally
don't succeed once, try again.
All right, we got it right. Since my pizza was a science experiment, Anthony was nice enough to share his. Thanks, Anthony. All right, guys, this is it. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down below. If you have any questions regarding anything on the video, also let me know. All right, guys, make sure to like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Until next time, bye.